Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a triple fold accordion card. This is based on a card I saw online by Connie Stewart, and I'm going to be using this gorgeous Forever Greenery designer series paper from the annual catalog. I just wanted you to have a look at this paper before we start. I've been seeing so many samples online with this gorgeous paper, and I have to say there isn't a single Forever Greenery card that I've seen that hasn't made me go gaga. It's just such gorgeous paper and it can do no wrong as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to show you a fabulous fancy fold card that you can make with this paper or any other paper that you choose to show it off. The card base is 5.5 by 11 inches and it's scored at 4 1/4, 7, and 9 3/4 inches. You'll need a white insert that measures 4 by 5 1/4. You'll need 2 pieces of designer series paper that measure 2.5 by 5 1/4. And you'll need 2 pieces of designer series paper that measure 1 inch by 5 1/4. And you could use all the same piece of paper, or you could mix it up. I've done a little bit of mix up here. Show off whichever sides that you would like. So I've already cut and scored the cardstock. My next step is to make sure that all of these folds are well burnished. Stamping on the right side of this white insert, and as you can see, when I add this to the card, this side is going to be visible whether the card is open or closed. So I'm using the It's Your Day stamp from A Good Man, and I'm also using a couple of the leafy looking stamps, this one and this one from Lovely You. Ready to assemble the card. There's the finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. During the COVID pandemic, I'm not offering in-person classes, but you can sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Once COVID is over, I will once again be hosting in-person classes. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!